Kenya is streamlining regulations towards reduction of trade barriers that affect the private sector in order to create a conducive business environment to attract investments. As the strongest economy in the East African region, Kenya is positioning itself to take advantage of the immense market offered by the African populace, even as the continent seeks to increase trade among its states.
Despite the African continent's immense potential for trade and economic growth, several challenges, among them trade barriers, tariffs and inadequate market integration, have hindered the development of the private sector. During the 14th African Union High-Level Private Sector Forum held in Nairobi, various leaders underscored the importance of utilizing local resources to create a sustainable economic foundation. They emphasized on the need to establish robust regional value chains and harmonize trade policies to open up new markets for the African businesses.
In this age of Industry 4.0, innovation, startups, and effective patenting are key to Africa succeeding in a strong transformation and drive towards prosperity.
Many business owners across the continent are still not aware of the potential and the opportunities which the Africa Continental Free Trade Area present.
We need to support our youth entrepreneurs to see how we invest in high-tech startups that would address the solutions of our African continent.
Where are we as Africa? Selling 95% of our tea in bulk, raw, not processed. And then we are importing back when it is finished, when it's blended with orange or something else.
Why don't we then lift Africa by becoming an equitable partner to the rest of the world, and says, yes, we have the resources, but convert them into finished products on the African continent.
Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of East Africa Community, Rebecca Miano, reaffirmed Kenya's commitment to support public-private sector collaboration to enhance domestic production and reduce dependence on imports.
Regional value chains are essential for promoting intra-African trade, economic integration, and industrial development. I take this opportunity to reiterate the government of Kenya's strong commitment to the public-private sector, continental trade and investment.
The three-day forum will focus on public-private sector engagement for inclusive growth and sustainable development. It's not doubt that the private sector plays a pivotal role in the development of the African continent, and by bringing together African leaders to deliberate on the hindrances to effective trade, this could lead to creation of a seamless economic landscape that will allow businesses to flourish, create jobs, and lead to sustainable development. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition, Nairobi.